Raborana egokwanda ense neli jikori ko provide na bono atu address whether ase assembly usina bakora kanye kake araro biri mirobeliende anene yesumeza bakenya
mbia mwana asili boli muralia naenda muligere ito Ndizi TV amangana akurukunga the state of the nation address onyaligere historically omayete naende chinse chiko entombiro chiko saba chiko ligere likurwa sebinto chinse chinde chiko kora na baro vacha gokora kikokora the history amangana ya kurukunga the state of the nation address ine nkwane na yo muraibu ense onyebwatie ko koira back to 1790 ekero the president of the United States George Washington arwete the first the first state of the union address maitali tuwate the United States of America so that union the first thing kia kwane tu amangana ya the state of the nation address state of the union address ya lenge in 1790 botambe ya lenge karo chinse ao ya lenge ngomuraibu ense nkolikale report aga tumile report yagenda paka asibunge yanyoro muklako nyesoma ngankyo muraibu ense ao karaki au kwana but bono ya chite kagenda ngora tugaji tokanyora bono karo George Washington ya kwanete the first state of the union address chinse ao chikachaka kobwatie gento kali na koranga kiya umuraibu ense kerale sense netakire ocho brief abantu baye ngaki nkikakoreta nkikegendre nkwambolinga neli chiko liko provide for amanganaji katiba ya ite ya Kenya article 132 nere go provide for amangana 132 nere basis you go address the nation article 132 go kwana the functions of the president among the functions of the president limokero mwaka naga ni gocho oeresa bunge na gwetera bungo meta bona bunge mboro no aba abateneneri baito representatives no baito o address ye bunge in a joint sitting ye senate national assembly mostly because the national assembly kyarele ndo cha no numbers chinyinge na and there is also space aba senate aba charoro jointly between the speakers ba arrange for the president to come to address them you enda karogo chikolili in terms of honor lichiko other than article 132 ye katiba ntobugate the national assembly standing orders ntobugate na the senate standing orders a standing order ye national assembly ego to alibaga ego se ko president libaga enda go address is standing order number 22 in National Assembly. In the Senate, into standing order number 25. One of these standing orders, Chico Buatre and Article 132, no ane karukwaro Amazon Jeffa Kingi, Speaker of Senate, na Moses Masika Wetangula, the Speaker of the National Assembly, under their respective orders, Chirichi National Assembly ne Senate, and alibata yabatenga kiaya, liitukolia tare tisa. Saa 8:30 we will have a joint meeting between the National Assembly and the Senate where the president will come and address us. You nege ntokere best asilichi.
Wakiri best dia bwa then 132 that the president shall but then address the opening of each newly elected parliament. Address a special sitting for parliament once every year and may address parliament at end time and once every year. Neria uchokora. Asinara wanataka kurabolina report in address to the nation on the measures taken to the progress achieved in the realization of the national values.
Chidare wata everything.
Ejuwante. Lakini bono values zinjiri jeje ekero Kenya toroje erebobe mara ibensi nakinara kubona bono chinga kijire lijingo mu provide jire. Lakini mudebe intobirega. Abakenya batabuga tyo gosemeli yale ngo muraibu enze akwanda abakenya bone tango sara abeke mikakati
lijiko liko tebanga shall president shall ikarego tabi shall ige minute ngatabuga tinjirende
shall
bibe aga tebanga mbei bona kuna kwa bowling ki na atiga tebanga
tare ko tigamba no motinyoni
na atige liboli kwa bowling ki na atiga tebanga bone bintu tiganje nga dress ka nonta gete tago tiga shall limo keromo na ndo maita article 132 nkoruere in detailinga no ani kyago cha kokwanira kwaral
the progress achieved in the realization of the national values.
The last state of the nation to awate ya linge 30th November 2021 ya rutu na the former president Uhuru Kenyatta and then kwa so maga ubu ya article 132A ekero parliament yerenyi
address the opening
president nere ya kolete last ilibona that state of the nation ilibona toka tenga ilino yoko mokaribisha Quarreled. As opposed to the state of the nation, asomete speech yae this time. This now is the first the first state of the nation address the president. Bono nata address last time. Nata kerego table reports. As a bunge, chikoba discussed on issues chikwanire gaiga nchimotigeti ngakwanire kende kyoskirira Article 132 gateba mbinto kya gukwanira egente getangani atakere gukwanira iguru ya security Quarreled. Ekera kwanda iguru ya security egento kya kabera gukwanira iguru ya mangana national values and principles of governance. National values and principles of governance oira nega iga article 10. Article 10 ye katiba yani chapter 10. Chapter 10 ye katiba nere igukwanira iguru ya national principles and national values and principles of governance. Ejitokoro kabone window wana patriotism, national unity, sharing and devolution of power. Even if we go to brief on what is the status devolution. What is the status on the issue of national unity? Yeah? What one for example when a national unity is it more united? Take it over the country. What boni kama natoko gamba nkikere igoro ya participation of the people. Are people more involved? Abantu bale more involved in such processes just serikali osaba ibone gazette notice ye abantu bale involved ya say participation ye serikali ose batigire ensemo. These are the issues atakere okoraki go address
lakini bona wakire kero eriki ngo provide umuraibenso to address kile bakenya abange baborina umuraibense obereka okwane ebyo ebinde isiko mangana security nebi bona ogamfoma ujugo bikwana abrali jigurigo lakini reba mabona Pado biriao to kwana bana badene muraibense obereka go to promise ebinte binge badena yabona abandi bakweto moya bakenya ntutu aroko semelia asi address ye bona kara rurero kero to kurigerie kero to kurigerie kimwaya bantu
abantu abange bakurigerie mangana governance no burai generally leadership serikali ye to bwate yenga kiyiga andi bira kwata iri ngabantu bakweto moya serikali ye egento gekogera abantu bagukwo moyo serikali ye kokore ngento tokurukanga oko over promise Quarreled. Umurai bwense talibo bena ino abaligeri na muko murante bi na inu nabo montara tolikira to tebi I've lost even track of the promises ye president ye correct
State of the Nation address is an accountability statement.
Yes.
Accountability. Accountability statement on our security, national values and obligations. Accountability.
Accountability. Bona atakira chato tebinga kinga yeikire measures ebintu kya quality. As a report what you say in the tata kero submit reports as opposed to the state of the nation area bona atakire ko bali interrogated. Those reports will be interrogated. Reports ijakobe kagali ko bajire interrogated chiko ba interrogated na bunge that is the Senate and the National Assembly that is where we get the issue of accountability to ko boli ngaki on the issue of security bona muna security to kwanira they have been increased bandit attacks Ntobwate Al-Shabaab attacks in Lamu.
Sondu abantu.
Ntobwate border conflicts. Sondu manyi ga abantu ba korwana ga dogoro. Those conflicts, what is the status? Mikakati kia bekri. Actually akota yabanga report in the address of all measures taken. In Article 132 1C.
1C.
Aqua report on all measures taken. On those issues, on security, on national values. Actually, there is another third thing on our international obligations. As a country, what are our international obligations in terms of in specific terms? Report. It is a report to be tabled in the National Assembly, the joint meeting in National Assembly, Senate.